Camera on my Hello. For CS684 Embedded System, the students have to install Lustre and Heptagon in their laptop or the device, and it has couple of issues. So first of all, these commands are officially supported on this Ubuntu, this particular version. These commands are this OS specific. So if someone is using some other Linux distribution, then they have to change these commands or something. And also to install these, there are a lot of, you have to follow all these steps, which is long and tedious, and some students get stuck on some particular command where some command is failing. So what we have done is that we have run all this command in a particular Docker image, and in that image all these tools are pre-configured and installed, and this image has been uploaded in Docker Hub as a public image. So what one has to do, he only has to install the Docker, and then they has to get this file. So what this file does, this is the name of the image where all these things are installed, pre-installed, and what he has to do is open this file in VS Code. In VS Code, and once you open in VS Code, and you also have to have this Docker dev containers installed, extension installed, then it will give you a pop-up to reopening container. So what VS Code will do, using the image name, it will download the image, pull the image, and one will get the environment where everything is pre-installed. So heptest is installed, hepc is installed, and for example, this was our lab 2 code. So we can run this code using the command build run, then the node name, and then the file name. You can see this is working. And also, as an added benefit, Docker is supported on Windows, multiple Linux distribution, and Mac OS. So this also becomes OS agnostic. So one has to install Docker and this VS Code extension, and with these files, he can get very easily, with like 2 or 3 clicks, one can get the environment ready and installed. Thank you.